ngempela ispace ngizocela ilokhu naye.
Abanjalo na.
Ngozira sibasize la.
September. Lezi ayikho kule njalo.
Una 5 years.
Una 5 years.
Le ndoda njengoba ingaka nje na 5 years.
Usuku la 0.
Alukho sona.
Nala expire nala amaphepha akhe lawo.
Sacela ngimthetho udlala yawo.
2025-04-16.
Walaba bangalena awafani iminyaka ayifani neyalana. Mabhuti ngichazele. Unyaka wangale neminyaka yangala ayifani. Uthola ukuthi umuntu olingana nami uzalwa yena ngo-1964. Iminyaka yabo ihlehlile ayifani neyethu.
Mana
Kodwa ngeke ngichazele ukuthi leyo uzoyithola
okay, siyabona ke okwenza passport sikusho
Manje kulethe singakhulumi sonke khuluma yini.
Nayi. Mina bengichazela nje kulokho kweminyaka engibuza ubhuti ukuthi basichazela
Kodwa kwamanje
kanjalo eHome Affairs.
kodwa kwamanje angithi lo usecontrivenile njengoba expire.
It's not possible. It's not possible. You are driving a sample without it. It's not possible. That's a lie. Just give us the reality. Where are the documents? You wouldn't just travel, drive a truck, whatever you know that you can.
I have a passport. I don't have a permit. But I forgot the passport. Because this truck is my first time. So I forgot my passport in other truck.
So you only have a passport. You don't have a PRTP. You don't have a license of driving the truck.
I'm using another license. Where's your work permit? You don't have a
PRTP.
Agree that you don't have a PRTP. You don't have anything that proves your medical. I have it. Where is it?
Where are those?
If it's a foreign driver with foreign documentation, part officer there. Every year you go to your country of origin and then get your medical certificate from your country of origin. Right now you do not have that. So you cannot operate a truck which is supposed to have a PRTP. So what you are showing me now here is a defensive driving certificate, but it's not your PRTP. And you are supposed to do medicals every year in Zimbabwe if you are driving here with your Zimbabwean documentation. So you
Have you ever done the medicals?
So amanye nje ama-challenges amancane sibethiwa kwisiqingi ayibo laba futhi laba njenge-immigration iyasilekelela but ababaningi so abakwazi ukuba khona all the time. I-Weybridge isebenza every day since i-Weybridge every day, but sinale challenge yokuthi bona from their side masinama-operation aplaniwe bayabakhona kodwa on a normal day-to-day business on a normal day-to-day ababi khona kuba yithi so sinaleyo challenge
noma sengabakhipha bazobaleka singafaka enkingeni. Niyaphila amadoda? Apha ama-documents enu why ngisouth Africa ngaphandle kwama-documents nenzani la ezweni? Kanti kuya-apply phela umuze ezweni officially you must apply. Where is the driver? You are the driver. And we are driving without PRTP, without permits. Who's the owner of the truck? Bomi. From where? From Durban. All right.
Okay, the owner of the truck will be charged.
Please.
The truck will be pounded, and when the owner arrives, he has to
charge and arrest him as well. That's why I'm check. I think let us do that. Say pound. We must stretch on them. Look, we must stretch on them. i-behavioral change izoshintsha ukuthi babophe ama-owners ama-accident abasikhozela wona emgaqweni basikhoze yona izoshintsha ya sifisa ukubonga kakhulu ukunikezwa ithuba izolo siqalile sakhipha ithimba lama-student asengama-inspectors ngokusemthethweni manje registered as peace officers awu-177 azohamba kuzona zonke-ke nje iy'funda ezikhona esifundazweni ukwenza sure ukuthi umsebenzi wesizwe uyaqhubeka ayabonakala amaphoyisa emgaqweni ayawenza umsebenzi ukuze isifundazwe sethu sibe kahle siqalile-ke namhlanje umhla ka-1 siqale ngo-8 o'clock le road block lapha eMoyi River sahamba saye midway sayobheka safike sathola ukuthi kunabo-driver kade bewu-2 abakhona bavele eZambia omunye uvele eZimbabwe abanawo ama-permit okuba se-South Africa nama-drivers license wabo nje ukuthola nje ukuthi fanele ube ne-PRDP fanele uqale uyokwenza ama-medicals unyaka nonyaka abakwenzanga lokho babe sebeyaboshwa-ke sibongile nakhona ukuthi i-joint operation yethu beyifaka u-SAPS iphinde ifake no-Home Affairs okwenza isimo sethu sibe lula sifisa ukubonga kakhulu u-Deputy Minister ubaba uNzuza ukuthi uthe uzoyilungisa udaba lolu lapha eMoyi River kube khona abantu abakhona uba besilethele-ke namhlanje sicabanga ukuthi udaba lama-truck lumsindo kakhulu kwabona nje eMoyi River kunabantu abavimba umgwaqo bathi akufanele ngabe abantu abangaqhamuki ezweni lethu bathatha amathuba emisebenzi sithe sesiyababopha kodwa ukubopha kwethu akwanele kufanele siqhubeke sithathe even abanikazi baba-companies ngoba umnikazi wekhampani okhipha imoto eyimpandla umnikazi wekhampani ofaka i-overload umnikazi wekhampani othatha umuntu ongekho emthethweni kuze angamkhokheli i-UIF kuze angamkhokheli i-pension zonke lezo zinto siyalwisana nazo ngoba ayakho umuntu ekufanele a-exploitwe uma nje sesibekile-ke kwabakhona umthetho ka-Home Affairs kwabakhona umthetho ka-Department of Labour asilandele yonke leyo mqathango yakhona so that izoba lula kune-protocol-ke enhle yaka-SADC ngoba angifuni ube ngathi sibophani bakhona kade beney'ncwadi ezisemthethweni labo besibagunyaza baqhubeke nendlela esesibanikeze nezinto ezikahle ukuthi abaqhubeke ngoba isifundazwe sethu kufanele siwazi ukuthi alifakwa libuya nesaphula mthetho iwona mgomo wethu and siqaleke nje ku-October kuyoze kuphela inyanga sekuyoze kuphela unyaka-ke nakhona ngoba le thimba nje lizobonakala izivimba mgwaqo sozenza noma ngabe yinini noma ngabe uhamba kuphi ublue light asuvumelekile umuntu ophuza ashayele asemvume emgaqweni umuntu onemoto eyimpandla umuntu onemoto entshontshiwe angasondeli emgaqweni yethu siyabonga noma sangabakhipha bazobaleka singangifaka enkingeni niyaphila amadoda apha ama-documents enu wayini ngisesouth Africa ngaphandle kwama-documents nenzani la ezweni.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button and also don't forget to smash the like button. Avoke kamthethwa South Africa ave oma foreigner tende lama foreigner ayatanasa South Africa knowing very well ukuthi kude umuntu nenzaba nabo. So ma-members MK sicale lato ma-members MK athole umuntu mfana waseMalawi udrive i-truck lo mfana lo drive i-truck ngepermit lethi yena wa-2009 then i-license yakhe driver's license yakhe ithi yena wa-2020. Does it make sense? Like it's not mathing him. It means ukuthi drive i-truck ana how many years? Ana 6 years 2020. Imagine ukuthi lo muntu uqale nini drive i-truck still uya-drive i-truck. No one cares about him. Noma ngabathi uyafuna uyi-forge into so ungaze uyi-forge ngale ndlela i-permit ithi wena 2009 i-license yakho ithi wena wa-2020. Does it make sense though? Does it really make sense? Bamthathile-ke lo mfana waseMalawi bamise lapha e-police station ngokuthi amaphoyisa awadile naye nangilobhuti lesimbonako nalo isithombeni loti ebambe etandla. He's also a foreigner who drive a truck naye akanadoda impepha akanalutho but drive a truck at South Africans they are unemployed now abantu baboqhamuka bayaqashwa bayasebenza eSouth Africa bendelwe amaphepha emgunyade basebende and ungathola ukuthi kudzala labantu laba baqala kusebenza ngalamaphepha abo emgunyado. Hayi diyabuya South Africa as a movie kesana. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.